coming down from the dining area. We in our Cafe Juanita. Here where the patio in the area outside of Cafe Juanita. The restroom, the men, the unisex, and the female. And off here is the garden. There's some statue and Buddha. Here, other places you can see. Another dining area that is reserved. See? And the decorations. Like Christmas. Vanilla ice cream.
It was like 2 hours for 800.